The next song you're gonna learn for this lesson is called Rain is Falling Down. Let's take a look at those we learned, those counts. 2 counts, 1 count, 2 counts, 1 count. And here comes 2 of the 3 counts note. We call it dotted half. They are connected on the top. We call this tie. This means you're gonna tie those 2 notes. That means 3 counts plus 3 counts equals 6. So you are going to hold 6 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am sure you can learn the rest of them from that reading. There's nothing new. It's a different melody comes here, and the same melody from the top comes again with tie.